I'll begin the presentation talking about our MIS program, and then I will turn it over to Dr. Saputro, I wonder where he is, who will talk about what I call our core competency that we offer, and that would be SAP. And then I will end the session with one of my favorite former students who took off work today, came over from Houston, and he's going to share with you the story of his career in MIS and all of the successes and all of the different areas that he's worked in. So I think you'll enjoy hearing what he has to say. So make your way in, sign the list, and here we go with our presentation. Department of Information Systems and Analysis with our BBA in Management Information Systems. This degree came about in 1993. We had a concentration in MIS, which was a minor in general business before that point, but it has really grown and flourished since '93. And in 2003, we created a minor in MIS that I'm going to tell you about for those who may want to pick up a minor in addition to the major that they're working on now. So, let's begin by talking about what is MIS? What do you do in MIS? I remember spending about an hour with a former dean when I put in the first 4 courses in this MIS program way back a long time ago. I won't tell you how far back. And he said, "What is MIS? Explain it to me." And essentially I said these things. I said, you are using technology to solve business problems. Every business has a problem. And we know what the areas of a business are: marketing, accounting, finance, HR, and on and on. Essentially, in a nutshell, this last bullet, you're going to learn, if you major in MIS, to diagnose what those problems are. That's what we call analysis. You'll be designing software to fix those problems. You'll be developing and maintaining the complete system. Of course, everything is network-oriented, internet-based, websites, and all of these things. We get into all of that. But if any recruiter ever asks you, what is MIS? You say, we're using technology to solve business problems. That's short and sweet. Many times students during advising, and we're in advising right now, aren't we, will say, what is the difference between MIS and CIS, which is over in the College of Engineering? And the point that I make to them, you can see the comparisons here, but I will tell you this: the main difference is, if you want to be a programmer and take 95% of your curriculum in programming, then CIS is the major for you. If you want to study business and hands-on application, website design, internet applications, database applications, everything that a business uses, MIS is for you. There is a vast difference between CIS and MIS. I talked to a young lady yesterday who is, in fact, here she is. Thanks for coming, Kelly. Who said, I started out majoring in CIS and I thought I was going to get more hands-on application. I did not want all that programming. So I am glad to find out about MIS. We do offer a programming course, which you'll see in a minute. Only one, though. Our emphasis is on application software and that core competency I mentioned that Dr. Saputro is going to tell you about in a minute. This is our MIS core curriculum. 21 hours. Principles of MIS. That's a business core. I teach that class. Every business student has to take that.